Hi, my name is Kyla Perret. I'm the Education Consultant and Smartboard Trainer for Presentation Products, and I'm going to show you how to use the Infinite Cloner option through your drop-down menu within Smart Notebook software. Right now I have a $1 symbol on my page. This is just an object that I brought in from the gallery, and if you click on it, you can see that the blue marquee is going to pop up around it. You have your rotate and resize option. You also have a drop down menu, and within the drop down menu is where your Infinite Cloner option is. I also want to point out the clone option. Clone is your very first option through the drop down menu. If you select clone, then you can see it just makes an exact copy of the object. This is much easier than using the cut, copy, paste option within Notebook because it's the same thing, just taking out that extra step of having to right click. Your Infinite Cloner option is towards the bottom, and it just simply says Infinite Cloner. If I select it, this object now becomes infinitely cloned. So if I click and drag out, you can see I can select and drag out as many copies of this one object as I need. You'll also see that the original object, when I click on it, up in the little top, you'll see an infinite sign. To change this back to a normal object, just click once on it, and then uncheck Infinite Cloner. This is a great option to use, especially for math teachers or if you're a language arts teacher. If you're a language arts teacher, you can use this for spelling and infinitely clone the alphabet on your page. Have students come up to the board and spell out their spelling words. Math teachers like it for many reasons, and I have one example that's just showing how to use coins and counting. Down at the bottom, I have symbols for money, and of course up at the top I have my different objects that have prices beside them. So if I wanted to use this activity in class, I can infinitely clone all of these and then have students come up to the board and pull out the number and pull out the actual money for how much each item cost. To infinitely clone several things at once, just simply click and drag over all 4 of them. Now you can see all 4 of the drop-down arrows. I can select any one of these drop-down arrows and select all the way down at the bottom the Infinite Cloner, and now these are all infinitely cloned, and students would be able to come up to the board and count out how much each item cost. That's all the time that I have for today. If you have any questions or if you would like to contact us and join us for a future training session, please feel free to contact me. My email address is kperret@pproducts.com. Phone number is 212-736-6350. Our website is presentationproducts.com.